Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the key to trading success, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
I look at today's market. I was up like $400 and something, and I literally just went and did something that took me a few minutes, and I came back, and I mean just 2 minutes, and I came back and it was all gone. There are two things to say about that. Is that one, I should have been on top of it and perhaps maybe tried to save some of it, but it moved quickly, and it looked like to me it was going to be a retrace and then come back up, and then it just went sideways and then just kept on going down. And that's fine. That is why we use asymmetric positions. See, I don't get upset on any day's trade or any series of losses or anything like that. And the reason is that I've already set myself up for success by making sure that all my losses are small. And even in the worst possible case of successive losses, one after another, after another, after another, after another, I'm still within a few trades of making a new high, right? That is the secret. One of the many secrets is by putting on asymmetric trades that allow you to manage your risk through defined risk, not managed risk. So instead, we choose to focus on managing profits. Although today I did a really poor job of that. It happens, but it's like I said, it's one data point, right? I can withstand literally a dozen of those in a row. And I've experienced that several times, but I've never drawn down more than 6%. My average large drawdown is closer to about 4%. I think 2 times that I've drawn down to 6%. One of them was the beginning of 2023, and another time was just this past December. But when I really looked at the one that happened this past December, I analyzed it, and I didn't really draw down because I had 2 positions on at the same time, and it's the way I recorded it. One position brought me down, and then the other one brought me up, and I actually had a win for that day. But the positions were really big. They were both big ass flies, and it made it look like it drew down and then went up. But in fact, if you looked at the combined positions, it never drew down anywhere close to that. So really, in reality, I've only done it once. And most other years, it's never been more than 4%. If you were to take a look at most brokerage accounts, any free money you have, you can put it into sort of fund or money market that they have available for your free cash. And most of those pay anywhere from 3 to 4.5%, 5%. If the majority of my free cash is in there and it's making interest, that is in effect giving me a zero risk account if I can maintain that drawdown. So that's the premise. That's the number one thing that we're looking to do. And it's really the philosophy that we work under, and everything else is built on top of it. And that is capital preservation first. Capital preservation, there's nothing more important, right? You have to learn how to be the best possible loser, that you're never going to allow yourself to draw down to any significant amount, always being within a few trades of making a new high. You do that, and then once you've mastered that, the ability to go into any market and not lose means that now you have the patience and the temerity to be able to wait for the opportunities to go to the next level. Once you've moved up to the next level, then it's just the same game again. You're working to not lose. So it's a stair step. Not lose, up. Not lose, up. Not lose, not lose, not lose, not lose, up. Pretty simple.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.